In this era of information, data security and authenticity have become the critical issue that greatly influences our daily lives. Banking and finances, businesses and commodities, and even our own health and safety are always confronted with various false or fraudulent data and information. For instance, the fakes. For years, professionals have been working very hard in technologies, trying to find a way that protects the genuine goods and saves the victims from counterfeiting. However, no effective solutions are found, and the problem remains. Although traditional anti-counterfeiting and traceable technologies are now widely used in many industries, its centralized operation attribute is fundamentally the source of information leakage and data tampering, which inevitably include many man-made errors. ZTC refers to ZINIEX traceability chain. It is a global anti-counterfeiting traceability system based on blockchain technology and independently developed by INIEX. Blessed with the unique decentralized feature of blockchain, ZTC almost can be applied to all aspects of business, from manufacturing to packaging, and from distribution to end users' consumption. It is all based on the timestamp information and using specific algorithm generated directly from the chain, which enables multi-codes in one model. In other words, every product, parts, or even raw materials will have a unique identification card to be secured in a safe house that allows public access but cannot be tampered, copied, and exhausted. It would be extremely useful when logistics business, sales companies, and consumers access required data while providing QR code or RFID. ZTC can achieve a theoretical value of 99.99% rating data security, ensuring the original information is authentic, accurate, and affirmative. Moreover, ZTC operates in a sophisticated node-based project management approach. Based on ZTC's 7 mega nodes as the mainstay, it radiates 49 main nodes covering all major industries that you could think of, and there will be further 343 key nodes for extended open application, which are sufficient to cover every aspect of human lives. After all, combining the benefits of decentralization, distributed storage, and authenticity identification, ZINIEX traceability chain and its mega nodes project will not only increase the pace of blockchain technology application in real-world business, but also significantly enhance the level of information security in terms of the internet and all relevant businesses. INIEX embraces big data and lead the global transformation of blockchain technology.